Menteri Kyntait kokot kakia uba Wailadmiki shelah negasni habai keren kinok thok kubor halor kejing duna juki doktor hakajela ulaong bagi doktor hakajela ki duna khamtam kitu ki pendap ya ki specialist hanrai habai de bat ki medical officer ka sorkar jela kadon ya ki doktor chu ulaong ro ba bunna ki doktor jong kajela kimtre ban trei ha ki nongkyndong kani ka bu jing ya ka sorkar man penbiang doktor tang nakadaw baki Kyntait kini ki doktor ki ba la pendap ya ki jing puli baper long ba menchwa nagaleng jo ka sorkar kayo ya ka bha na sorkar pedeng kumba sanpo hadu nyau phongut ki doktor ha ki sisnem bat lengba ka jingyo ban plino ya ki Shillong Medical College ka jela kansala ban penmi shibun ki doktor bat kumjo ro sorkar kadoni gijing temu ba katura medical college ro kan saplino hi how news nam bamanta
see no doubt like already you have heard it in the floor of the house also that because we have called a series of recruitment. Last time also we recruit but we could not fill even the total number of vacancies also because no doubt doctors are there but they are not coming and joining, especially when it comes that when they see that the rural posting, especially we are facing difficulty with the rural posting. So no doubt this is not the problem of today. So like I already mentioned in the past also, because see now if we look from the past, we only depend on the central pool of seat for doctors. So that's why all these years, so we are hardly getting, starting from the past 50, 60, 70 numbers of doctors in a year. So that also, you do realize because of the bond policy and all, so they can come and pay the bond and they can go and work wherever they want. So that's why, but the government is thinking about all this, so we are coming up with medical college. Because which is very important, we need to produce more doctors for residents in order to solve this problem. So that's why we have Shillong Medical College. Now we have the Perno Sangma Medical College where we also tie up and have some seat there. And then hopefully this year we are planning to start with the Pura Medical College. So after all this, I think more or less if everything goes well, so we'll get around 200 to 250 doctors every year from our state. So with all of this, I'm completely sure that we'll able to solve this problem.
So last question, right? What is the shortage now? How many shortage of specialists and doctors we have?
No, we have, see, regarding MO, we don't have much of a shortage. The main shortage is with the specialists. So most of the specialists we are highly shortage.
How many is it?
I cannot give you the exact number, but what I can just tell you that I think out of 100%, only 30% we could fill. Almost 70% of the posts in the specialist category, it's mostly vacant.
What is specialist doctors who have completed are hesitant to join after comment?
I think it's not wise for me to comment here, but I think there is not a single particular reason. There are multiple reasons. But for that also, like we are trying, like I already mentioned in the past also, but in order to bridge that gap also, we are sending short-term courses to our doctors also, in order to bridge that gap. But generally, I think we need, this is I think a topic where we need to sit and really discuss about this, why the specialists are hesitant to join in the state.